Sammy dressed up like the Lammy, Bonky dressed up like a donkey, Carrie was Virgin Mary, Kosef was Joseph. We all dressed up as shepherds and animals and sang Christmas carols for the school play. The hay made me itch and my little nose twitch, but the promise of hot chocolate with marshmallows caught my attention, and the teacher said I would get special mention. I got so caught up in playing a part that I nearly missed keeping Jesus in my heart. But when I heard the Christmas story read, visions of a cold night danced in my head, and I thought of Mary and how brave she must have been, and Joseph by her side, comforting her. And then I thought of baby Jesus leaving heaven above to come down here to save me and give me his love. And everything changed in my heart that night, and no Christmas had ever been so bright. Changed in my heart that night, and no Christmas had ever been so bright.